Hey everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. What is in this cardboard box? You may want to know, you may not. Well, it's the Tesla paint protection film. So let's take a look over here, let you guys know what I'm talking about and why I should have installed this earlier. Alright, so I did have the paint protection film put on the front, which I highly recommend doing. I had gotten the car and got a couple scratches on it. You can probably see right there early on before I had the paint protection put on. Got the paint protection and now I'm fine, but I only got the front. But in the back here, and even with the mud flaps installed, which, oh, there you go. There's one there. There's one there. You still get these marks. Now, I don't know if you guys will be able to see them. I'm going to wash the car and see. But look at this. This stuff. Yeah, those are paint chip marks all over. So, just word of advice. If you get a Tesla and you drive through like crappy places like I do, like Angeles Crest, you're going to get these little nicks in the paint. So, it's just really unfortunate. But I'm going to go ahead and clean it as much as I can, and then still put the paint protection on, just so I don't cause any further damage. So let's get the car washed, and then we'll get it nice and clean, and then we'll put on the paint protection. Okay, so I had some Tesla touch-up paint laying around. I couldn't find it at first, but I actually did find it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and use the touch-up paint, which consists of the paint and then a little bit of blending solution that you see there with a little microfiber towel that I'm going to rub away. So this will be actually pretty cool, so I can get rid of some of the marks there. Alright, we're done with the blending solution. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to adding the baby shampoo to the water. So I just put in 10 pumps of baby shampoo, and then I filled up the rest with water, and that was all I needed. So pretty easy. Just shake it up a little bit when you're done. Now, as for the rubbing alcohol, you may or may not need this. You can put it into a spray bottle and use it to spray the corners if you have any of the corners that are not sticking. It just helps to evaporate, but you probably will not need that. Alright, now we're going to move on. So just come to the area that you're going to put the PPF film and spray a generous amount of soap and water. Just get it really soaking wet. It should be dripping off the side. And then you're going to go ahead and spray the film. So when you peel the film off, just make sure it doesn't stick together. So just go nice and slow. Just like that. And then you'll see the film. Just spray the sticky side. Once again with a nice generous amount.
And then you can go ahead and place it on the car. And you'll see it's very slippery, so it can just make sure you don't drop it. And then what you want to do is just try to align all the corners, the left side, bottom, and right. Once those are aligned, you should be good to go. Then you can start using the squeegee. As you can see, I like the placement there, so I'm just making sure everything's nice and straight. And then I'm just going to take the squeegee and start to squeegee out the bubbles and also lock in the sides.
Okay, and there's our finished product. I don't know if you can barely see the little line there. You can see it, but it's not too bad. Better than getting any nicks or paint marks, so looks pretty good. You can see all the little white marks are out. It's a pretty thick piece too, and it's on there pretty good. Let's check the other side. Right. Wiped it down. Like I said, you can see the little line there. This is a really thick piece here. It's on there really well, so hopefully should stop all the rocks from hitting and protect the paint, so you don't have to keep using touch-up paint. So all right, so with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. That's how to install the Tesla paint protection film on the bottom left and right side. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.